Good morning. This is Mayor Lori Lewellen from Dania Beach, and I'm here with Vice Mayor Lauren Odman and Commissioner Tamara James. And we're here to talk to you today about the Beach Renourishment project and about the revitalization project going on down at the beach. It is Dania Beach, so our beach is very important to us. We have lots of tourists as well as residents that come here to see our beaches.
We're out here on this beautiful, beautiful beach day. The sun is out, the waves are perfect, and we're just taking a look at what's going on with Dania's beach area today.
I think you all want to really know what's going on down here in Dania Beach. So I'll talk a little bit about the project that's going on, that we're getting 125,000 cubic yards of sand in the surrounding communities to renourish some of the sand that's been lost due to beach erosion and some of our storms that's been happening.
So we have 125,000 cubic yards of sand that's being brought down to Dania Beach as well as Hallandale and Hollywood to help renourish the beach.
Turtle nesting season has started, so the Army Corps of Engineers, along with some other volunteers, are going to be monitoring the area heavily to look for signs of nesting turtles and making sure that while we do our improvements, we are also being environmentally responsible, which is very important to me, and I know the rest of the commission and many of our residents.
In addition to that, we've got some other revitalization projects going on in the parking lot where they're going to be changing around the entranceways, the parking lot itself. It's going to look like a whole new area down here on Dania Beach.
Another thing that our residents and our tourists could look forward to is FP&L burying these lines on our beach. What a beautiful sight it'll be to see when you come down and you don't have to look at these big poles with these lines on it. They will be buried. Thanks to the commission and thanks to FP&L for really making this happen.
It is really going to get the beach ready for spring and summer. So we are going to have everyone out here, and I'm just so excited for how things are going to look and have our beach back to looking as beautiful as we all know it to be.
And let's talk about the marina. We're one of the few cities in the state of Florida that has a marina on our beach. So imagine coming, parking your boat, and walking across the parking lot to sand to be able to enjoy the beach. This is something that I think makes us very unique, and we are a little gem nestled in between two major cities, but we are making a big mark.
Our marina down here on the beach is one of many marinas that we have in the city, but the one on the beach actually is generally pretty full most of the time. So it's obviously very popular and a good place to go and bring your boat. Interestingly about Dania Beach, we have a little bit of a different kind of beach than the rest of South Florida. It's a smaller beach, but it's much more natural, got more natural environment. It looks a little more wild than you would see at most beaches. We also have quarterdeck, which is right out on the pier and has beautiful views of the beach. These are all things that you can enjoy as a resident and as a tourist.
It's a really fun place to be, and I know that we all have our favorite things to do. Mayor Lewellen, what's your favorite thing to do at the beach?
We like to come down and go to the pier. And check out the waves and everything from the pier. We also frequent quarterdeck, and I actually like to come down here when there's a storm going on, so it's not really beach weather, but it's more stormy because it's beautiful when you look at it from quarterdeck.
Yeah.
See lightning and that sort of thing out there. So you don't always have to come down here just when it's sunny. You can come down here when it's raining as well.
My son's favorite thing to do out here on the beach is practice football. So he comes out here with some of his volunteer coaches, and they put cones down, and he gets a good workout in the sand. Since we don't really and truly have a winter, I urge you all to get in the gym so you can get summertime fine, so we can put on our two-piece or our bikinis or our one-pieces or whatever you're gonna wear, so we can really come out and enjoy the beautiful weather that's right here in South Florida, specifically right here in Dania Beach.
I can't wait to see everyone out at the beach, so see you in the water. Bye.
Dania Beach is the perfect place to see it, live it, love it.